Hi guys, John here, and today I have a cash drawer that I got on Amazon. Let me show this thing to you guys. This is so cool. I love the fit and finish here. It's made of steel, it's heavy duty. This thing is gonna keep your money safe and secure. Now, a couple neat features of this thing. It's actually got some padded feet here, so it's not gonna slide around the counter, especially with a polished counter. It just doesn't do it, it won't go. So that's pretty nifty, pretty useful actually. It does come with some more dividers. So if you wanted to add dividers in here, there's all these different slots here where you could add dividers and you can set it up differently, really to meet your needs. So that's very cool. We're gonna go ahead and store that back in there. Now all of these are spring loaded, and that means they're gonna keep your money in place. You don't have money loose in here. It's very cool. You've got your change drawers and all of that good stuff.